Today I'm just going to show you how you can make your 4K Blu-ray player, a Panasonic DP-UB820 region free for DVD playback. Now this is quite an important thing to do if you haven't already done it, and that's because the machine has got a very good upscaler. It is fantastic for upscaling from Blu-ray, but equally if you've got quite a good print, so a good DVD copy, you run it on this particular model, it does a really good job. If you have any discs that are outside your region, your country region, or your area region I should say, then this hack is probably quite important to you. So I'm just going to show you how to do that now. You must find yourself a infrared capable smartphone, and for this I'm using an HTC One. So I've already got the application and I've got a script to run some stored commands, and you can have a look at my other video where I unlocked a regular Panasonic Blu-ray player, so I'll put a link in for that. But what you need to do is power on your device, and as you can see it's powering on the Blu-ray player. And there's the screen. So let's put a disc in, and what I'm going to do is try to play a disc that's outside of the region. I haven't watched it yet. Does anyone remember that? The Martian Chronicles, late 70s sci-fi. So let's put that in and see if I can play it. And that's what you see. Taking this application, what's happened is I've already imported a file. These buttons here, these number buttons, are already programmed for the sequence, the unlock sequence. So it's really just a case now of running the actual macro. The macro which will execute each of those single button commands. So I'm going to try that now. And it's now powered down the Blu-ray player. And there you go, unlocked for multi-region playback. So this should work on the 9000 as well, and probably a whole range of Panasonic 4K Blu-ray players. Please can you like and subscribe, and I will do some more videos for you in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been useful to you.